These women warriors of border security force sent shivers down spine of Pakistani Rangers and Pakistan Army during Operation Sindoor. During that 23-minute operation, we saw that how India was able to decimate and demolish many of their launch pads and terror infrastructure. After that, when they started targeting Indian villages, India was left with no other option but to destroy their airfield. And they were the one who were able to decimate in punitive strike many of their launch pads on other side of international border. Today, they are the part of winter counter-infiltration team here in Akhnur sector and keeping an eye on each and every activity. When winter sets in, the challenges also are different. And the biggest ever challenge for them is fog. Because of fog, the visibility is poor. But what is more important is grit and determination of these women warriors who are guarding one of the most dangerous frontier of the country. Because in the past also we have seen that there had been several incidents when terrorists had tried to sneak into this side of the border. They had tried to infiltrate, to sabotage peace and keep auto terrorism boiling. Pakistan is trying its level best to sabotage peace here in this region, but they are well prepared to deal with any kind of situation. Let me speak to them. कितने तैयार हैं आप पूरी तरह से?
बीएसएफ हर चुनौती के लिए तैयार है.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में भी आपने उनको छठी का दूध याद करवा दिया.
बिल्कुल, हमने उस वक्त भी अपना पूरी भागीदारी दी थी और बीएसएफ ने पाकिस्तान को मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया था और आज भी हम हर चुनौती के लिए तैयार हैं.
देखिए, अब नया साल है तो क्या पैगाम देना चाहेंगे आप भारतवासियों को इस सरहद से?
भारतवासियों को बीएसएफ की तरफ से और मेरी तरफ से देशवासियों को बहुत सारी नए साल की शुभकामनाएं हैं. देशवासी अपना नया साल बहुत आराम से चिंता को छोड़कर आराम से अपना नया साल मनाइए. हम बीएसएफ पूरी तरीके से बॉर्डर पे तैनात है. हर चीज़ के लिए, हर चुनौती के लिए बीएसएफ पूरी तरीके से तैनात है यहाँ पर.
See, that is in fact a strong message from the Matru Shakti. This Matru Shakti took care of the frontiers of the country during Operation Sindoor. And today, once again, they are taking care of Mathrubhumi. Come what may be, whatever difficulties are there, but they are there with total grit and determination, taking care of the frontier of the country, one of the most dangerous border, because in the past also we have seen that there had been several infiltration attempts from across the border. नए साल पे क्या कहना चाहेंगे भारतवासियों को?
भारतवासियों को नए साल का हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं है. धन्यवाद.
भारतवासियों को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. You need not worry. When they are the one who are guarding frontiers of the country, they have already shown this to Pakistan, that whenever they have gone for any kind of misadventure, they had been given befitting reply by them. Not to talk of men, but women warrior of border security force. And here today, right now, you can see the patrolling has been intensified because whenever there is fog sets in and the blanket of fog covers the entire area, you can see right now already fog has engulfed this border belt, because of which the visibility has gone poor. And that's one of the reasons that patrolling here has been intensified. They are just scanning and manning each and every inch of the border, trying to ensure that the terrorists are kept at bay. Enemy is not able to succeed in their nefarious plot and nefarious design. Let me speak to more. क्या कहना चाहेंगे? नया साल, नए दिन पे शुभकामनाएं कैसे देंगे?
भारतवर्ष को बीएसएफ की तरफ से नए साल की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. हम बॉर्डर पे हैं और पूरी तरह से ड्यूटी में तैनात है. तो देशवासियों अपने अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करें न्यू ईयर को. बस यही संदेश है और वो टेंशन फ्री होके पूरी तरीके से सेलिब्रेट करें.
परिवार की कहीं याद आती है? इतने दूर परिवार से आप रहते हैं.
परिवार की तो याद आती है, लेकिन अभी हमने बीएसएफ को ही अपना परिवार मान लिया है और बीएसएफ भी हमारा परिवार है. तो हमारे परिवार को भी हमारी तरफ से हैप्पी न्यू ईयर.
So that's more important because they are hundreds of kilometers away from their family, because they are saying their family is their country. So more important for them is to take care of their country. More important for them is to take care of the countrymen. That's one of the reasons. It is with that grit, it's with that determination, it is with that jazba, it's with that junoon that they are manning this border day and night, 24/7, 365 days. They don't take rest. And here you can see right now this patrolling is continuing, and they are continuing to ensure. Let me show you. Look at this border. They are just walking along the fence here in Akhnoor sector, trying to ensure that they are able to keep enemy at bay. Because normally what Pakistan always tries to take advantage of poor visibility. They try to push in terrorists. Because one thing Pakistan cannot see, that is smile on the faces of people of Jammu and Kashmir. They cannot see normalcy in Jammu and Kashmir. They often try to destabilize the situation here. But they are the one who are standing like a rock. They are the one who are standing like a wall on the border. They are the one who are ready to even take bullets on their body. But they will ensure that the enemy doesn't succeed in its mission. Let me speak to more of these women warriors and try to find out what they have to say. क्या कहना चाहेंगी देश को?
देश को यही कहना चाहेंगे, अब तो नया वर्ष आ रहा है, उसके लिए हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। बीएसएफ बॉर्डर पे डिप्लॉयड है, आपको किसी भी प्रकार की कोई टेंशन की कोई बात नहीं है, आप आराम से अपनी सेलिब्रेशन करें।
जोर से कोई बोलेगा भारत माता की
जय,
भारत माता की हैप्पी देखिए ड्यूटी, दे आर हियर ऑन ड्यूटी, बट व्हेन यू से भारत माता की जय, they chant, and I'm definitely sure that this slogan and the chant of their Bharat Mata Ki Jai is definitely going to send shivers down the spine of Pakistani who are just sitting few meters away from this place. There are several terror launch pads where often terrorists are waiting, looking for an opportune moment to sneak into this side of the border. But when there is a wall of women warriors in uniform, then it's not easy to penetrate, because they are to thwart any of their sinister plot, any of their nefarious design. Pradeep Datta with Rahi Kapoor for NDTV.